So okay everyone, now the next topic, which is pie charts. So how to plot pie chart? First import your libraries. So you need to import numpy as well, pandas as well, and import matplotlib dot pyplot as well as plt, and there is another percentage matplotlib inline. So it is used to give the view of your graphs. So everyone, so percentage matplotlib inline is a magic command. This is a magic command in Python that allows matplotlib plots to be displayed directly within the Jupyter Notebook or Jupyter Lab interface without the need to call plt.show. Okay, after each plot command, it is a convenient way to visualize plots inline while working in a notebook environment. Okay, so without use of plt.show, you can show your graphs. Now move to our topic. So pie chart. First give data equal to 33, 52, 12, 17, 42 and then 48. Okay. Now plt.py and pass your data and then plt.show, and then this is your pie chart. Now you can also add labels in your pie chart. Adding labels. So how to add label? Give the label variable Python C and then now that time PHP. Okay, PHP is also a popular language. Now plt.py and data comma label. This is labels equal to label and then plt.show, and then what is the error? So this is labels. So label must, the error is label must be of length x. So what is the length of our x? So data are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 values in our labels. So just give one more JavaScript label. Okay. So in this way you can create pie charts and give labels. Now you can also give the title. For example, plt.figure and fig size, which is equal to 9,7, and then plt.py data and then plt.title, and the title is the result of the programming language survey. Okay, and then pass your font size, which is 15, and plt.legend label and plt.show. Okay, now this is title and this is legend. So this is your title, the result of programming survey, and this is your legend. So in this way you can also create pie charts and give the title and legend. Now explode. What is explode? Explode is used to slice this part for us, slice a specific part from this graph. For example, explode equal to 0.0, 0.08, and then 0.0, 0.0, 0.00. Okay, I've done so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 0.00. Now plt.py comma data explode equal to explode comma labels equal to label and plt.show, and then so this is your explode data, and you can also explode, for example, 0.10. so the another piece also exploded. So in this way you can create pie charts, and these are some parameters of pie charts: title, label, explode, labels, colors. So alright everyone, please take a look to this code. Okay, so now the basic overview of donut chart. So first, import matplotlib.pyplot as plt and give their data 22, and then 17.6 for example, and then this is float values 8.8, and then 8.7, and then okay 7, this is integer value, and 7.7, and then 6.7. okay, now pass the labels: Python, C, C++, PHP, Java, and then Ruby. Okay everyone, now plt.py and then data comma labels equal to labels comma. Now you can also give the angle for your donut charts. For example, start angle parameter, you can use start angle equal to 90, and then wedge props equal to width 0.2, and then plt.show. okay, and this is inside the code, and import matplotlib. So this is your donut chart, and these are labels, Python, Ruby, and the angle starts from 90 degree. okay, and then C, so it is go anti-clockwise. okay, now your last plot, which is 3D plots. So what is 3D plots? 3D plots, short for three-dimensional plots, are graphical representations of data that involve three axes: X, Y, and Z. They are used to visualize relationships between three variables simultaneously. These plots add depth to the visualization, allowing for a more comprehensive understanding of the data. They are commonly used in fields such as mathematics, physics, engineering, and data science to illustrate complex relationships or patterns in three-dimensional space. So let's create 3D plots. So first, from this is a MPL tool mpl toolkits and then import mplot 3d. So this is a tool to create 3D plots in Matplotlib. Okay, and then Matplotlib inline. Okay, now import pandas as pd, import numpy as np, and then import matplotlib dot pyplot as plt. Okay, now fig equal to plt dot figure, it gives the figure of our graph, and then axis equal to plt dot axis and projection. So the graph is in the form of 3D, and then run your code. So this is a projection in 3D of your 3D plot. Now we will add something. For example, import matplotlib.pyplot as plt, and then import numpy as np, and then import seaborn as sns. Now ax equal to plt dot. So these are our libraries. Seaborn is also a high standard library for data visualization. Now plt dot axis and then projection in form of 3D. Okay, and then z line equal to np dot line space and 0 comma 15 comma 100, and then x line equal to np dot sign z line, and then y line, these are axes. Okay, equal to np dot cos, and then z line, and then ax dot plot 3D. We will also explain this code. Just wait a minute. Z line comma gray, and then plt dot show. Now this is our graph. This is in the form of 3D. So this code generates a 3D plot using Matplotlib and NumPy. It creates a 3D axis, then generates data points for a sine and cosine function in 3D space. Finally, it plots these points in gray color. The result is a 3D helix-like structure. So this is a helix-like structure. Okay, everyone. Now our last code of 3D plot, which is contour plot. Okay, everyone. So first import your libraries. Import matplotlib dot pyplot as plt, import numpy as np, and import your tools mp toolkits dot mplot 3d, import axis and the axis which is 3D. Okay, so what is the error? No module mp toolkits. So mpl, and from cannot access 3D. So okay, so this D is capital letter. Now generate some data. X equal to np dot lin space comma minus 5 comma 5 and then 100 by equal to np dot lin space minus 5 comma 5 comma 100 and then x comma capital Y equal to np dot mesh grid. So this will create a grid line on your graph, and then the third axis, which is z np dot sine and then np dot square root. So this is a Euclidean distance formula, x square plus y square. Okay, now create 3D plot. So how to create? Same as the upper code, fig equal to plt dot figure and then x is equal to fig dot add subplot, then 111 projection equal to 3D and self equal to ax dot plot and surface x comma y comma z and then c maps equal to voltage and then add labels and title ax dot set x label and then ax dot set y label and then ax dot set your z label, which is z, and ax dot set title, this is for your title, 3D plot of sine sqrt plus okay everyone. Now add color bar, fig dot color bar and then surf. Okay, and at last show plot and plt dot show. Okay everyone, so this is your 3D plot. So yes, I know this is very large code, but you can understand it by part wise. For example, this is one part, this is one part, this is one part, and this is another, and at last show plot. So this is all about pie charts and other plots. So alright everyone, thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned for more Python tutorials. Till then, keep learning and keep exploring.